Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make pickled vegetables at home. First, select your favorite fresh, firm vegetables, such as crisp cucumbers or vibrant carrots. Next, assemble your basic pickling ingredients: white vinegar, water, pickling salt, and any desired spices like dill or garlic. Remember to sterilize your glass jars and lids by boiling them for 10 minutes to ensure a safe and long-lasting product. This crucial step prevents spoilage and keeps your pickles delicious. Now, let's create the flavorful brine that will transform your vegetables. A good starting ratio is 1 part vinegar to 1 part water, for example, 2 cups of each. For every cup of liquid, incorporate 1 tablespoon of pickling salt. You can also add sugar for a sweeter pickle. Bring this mixture to a rolling boil, ensuring the salt and sugar fully dissolve. This hot brine is key to infusing flavor and preserving your vegetables. With your brine ready, it's time to pack your vegetables. Arrange your chosen vegetables tightly into the sterilized jars, leaving about 1/2 inch of headspace. Carefully pour the hot brine over the vegetables, ensuring they are fully submerged. Use a clean knife or chopstick to release any trapped air bubbles. Finally, wipe the jar rims clean and secure them with new, clean lids, tightening them to a finger-tight seal. After sealing, let your jars cool undisturbed at room temperature for 24 hours. This allows the vacuum seal to form properly. Once cooled, store your delicious homemade pickled vegetables in the refrigerator. They will be ready to enjoy in a few days and can last for several weeks or even months if properly sealed. For more great kitchen tips and deals, including that fantastic sock link, check the description below. Enjoy your flavorful creations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.